In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete domains on Siteground, whether you're reorganizing your digital space or just need to clean up unused domains. This process is straightforward and easy. Follow along as we guide you step by step. First, you'll need to access Siteground's official homepage. Simply open your web browser and type in Siteground, or use your bookmark if you have it saved and navigate to their main website. Once you're there, locate and click the login button, which is usually found at the top of the page. This will prompt you to enter your Siteground credentials, so make sure you have your username and password handy. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Siteground home. Here, find and proceed to My Siteground account. This is essentially your control panel where all your website management tools are centralized. When you've reached your account dashboard, you should see a section labeled Websites. Click on it to view a list of all the websites associated with your account. The next step is to focus on managing the domains of a specific website. To do this, navigate through your list and find the site whose domain you want to manage. Once you've selected the website, look for the Site Tools link and click it. This will take you to a suite of management tools tailored for that particular site. Now, on the left-hand side, find a menu labeled Domain. Clicking on this will present you with several options related to domain management. Here, you'll want to look for and click on Parked Domains. Parked domains are additional domains registered to your main account but not actively hosting a site of their own. With the parked domains open, you'll see a list of all the domains currently parked. Scroll through and find the domain you wish to delete. Once you've located it, you should see a Delete option next to it. Before you proceed, be sure that this is the domain you no longer need, as deleting a domain is a permanent action. After confirming that you're ready to proceed, click on Delete. Depending on your browser and CSS settings, you might be prompted with a confirmation pop-up to ensure you want to proceed with the deletion. Acknowledge this if it appears, and your domain will be successfully removed from your Siteground account. And that's it, you've now successfully deleted a domain from your Siteground account. This process helps keep your digital space organized and ensures that you're only maintaining domains that are necessary for your website. If you have more domains to manage, you can simply repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made your Siteground experience better.